3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sandali lang pala. Ay, birthday na pala ni Founder. Hi, Founder! Happy birthday po, Founder. Naku, wala akong ibang masabi kundi more birthdays to come and happy birthday po. Wish ko po is good health. Ingat po palagi. At sana po, magkita po tayo. Sana po, Founder, magkikita tayo. Wala na po akong masasabi. Basta maraming salamat po sa lahat. Basta, maraming salamat po. Nasa inyo na po ang lahat. How to be you po. I love you, Founder. Love ka namin ng kitties. Chup-chup. Ingat lagi.
Hey, it's your day, and this is a very special day for you. To our very supportive and generous leader of our team, a beautiful and still look young until now. Happy birthday po sa iyo, Founder. Piliin lang laging maging masaya. May God bless you always and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day and we love you. I love you, Founder. God bless.
Happy birthday sa aming pinaka-the best na founder. Yes, pinaka-the best po. Thank you so much for being a blessings to the KP Warriors group. Thank you so much for everything, founder. You're so kind and generous. May God bless you 1,000 folds and continue to shine in everything you do, founder. Ingat po palagi and may you have a good health and may the Holy Spirit always enlighten and guide you. Thank you so much, founder. Happy birthday.
Today is a very special day. I want to greet a happy birthday to Miss Marilyn Fowler. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. What else could I wish for? You seems to have everything. But anyway, I want to thank you. As one of the KP Angels, we are very lucky to have you. I want to thank you for the inspiration and motivations that you give to us. We learn so much, and then you keep inspiring us. You teach us so many things. I hope you continue to spread love, friendship, and kindness around the globe. We love you. Take care always, especially in driving. Stay beautiful. Happy birthday.
At last, it's your birthday. It's your day. It's your special day. This is it. I just want to create you a happy birthday, Miss Marilyn Fuller, our beautiful founder of KP Angels. May God bless you always and more blessings to come. Thank you for being there always to support us, to bring joy, and pagka matulungin mo, founder, si God na ang bahalang bumalik sa iyo sa kabaitan mo. Lahat ng pinakita mo sa madlang people, sa madlang TikTok. We are so blessed and lucky to have you. Piliin lang laging masaya, founder. Thank you. I love you and we love you. God bless.
Oh, it's your day, founder. Happy birthday, founder Marilyn Fowler. Wish you all the best. More blessing. Basta maraming salamat. Yun lang, nasa iyo na ang lahat. Basta hawak kamay tayo. Pili lang laging maging masaya. Stay more and more beautiful and young. O, diba? Basta, beautiful ka naman, founder. Nasa iyo na nga ang lahat, diba? Sumisexy ka na nga eh. Charles. Basta, founder, salamat. Yun lang. Enjoy your special day. Basta, we love you and I love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, founder! Marilyn Fowler, ng founder ng Kipi Angels, Kipi Warriors. Founder, talagang nag-costume ako. Kasi birthday mo, birthday. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best at marami pang blessings na darating sa iyo, founder. Dahil mapagbigay mo sa aming lahat, sa lahat. Enjoy your day. Good health palagi. Ingatan ka din palagi ni Lord. Gagabayan ka palagi sa ka man magpunta. Dahil magbabakasyon ikaw. Always lang piliin maging masaya para always maganda. I love you, founder. We love you. God bless always. God always bless you.
Happy birthday sa napakaganda at napakabait na founder namin, Miss Marilyn. I wish you all the best. More candles to blow. God bless you always. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, founder. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Stay pretty. Stay healthy. Thank you po sa lahat. Alam niyo po yan. Pasensya na po kayo, hindi na po ako update sa TikTok, pero andito pa rin po ako. Busy lang po talaga. Sorry po, but anyway, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Hi, founder! Happy birthday! Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa mga blessings na sinishare mo sa amin. Thankful din kami na may founder kaming isang katulad mo na apaka-generous, apaka-pretty, maasikaso, lahat na. We love you, founder. I love you. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Piliin mo lang laging maging masaya. God bless you. More blessings pa sa'yo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, founder. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana masaya ka at good health. Alam ko naman na masaya ka dahil marami nagmamahal sa iyo. At isa ako doon, founder. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil sa sobrang blessed namin dahil kasama ka namin sa team. At lahat ng blessing mo ay sinishare mo sa amin. Kaya sana maging mas mahaba pa ang inyong buhay at maging mas masaya na kasama kami. I love you, founder. Maraming salamat at happy birthday sa iyo. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy, and I love alam mo naman kung gaano kita ka-love. Dito na naman tayo. Simulat sa pool nang una tayong nag-meet dito sa TikTok or nagkakilala sa TikTok. Tinoring mo na akong anak-anakan din sa social media. So, I'm very thankful kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko bilang ina or bilang mom. Ayoko nang pahabain pa. Check your messenger. I love you and happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Balita ko birthday mo daw. Nadamay pa nga dito, no? Sorry na. Wala ka nang choose. Magyaw-yaw na ako dito. But anyway, happy birthday sa'yo, Founder Marilyn. Siyempre, nag-iisa yan. So, wish ko lang sa'yo is lagi kang patnubayan ni Lord. No? Lahat ng wishes mo, makuha mo. Lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay. Bahala ka na kung anong gusto mo ba. Basta always stay happy. Lagi natin sinasabi na piliin lang natin maging masaya. And always, lahat na yata ng mga wishes na bigay na, lahat na ng mga wishes na greetings na kuha mo na siguro, no? Paulit-ulit na lang. But still, stay humble. God bless you and Stay pretty. Happy birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday to the one and only founder! The founder of KP Angels, Miss Marilyn Fowler. Fowler? How to pronunciation? It's okay. Anyways, happy birthday, founder. Naway marami pang birthday at biyaya ang dumating sa buhay mo. And stay what you are. Stay sexy. Stay pretty. Stay kind. And stay generosity. Generous? Pagbigay na lang. Parang okay. Thank you for the love and support sa Paukit. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And alam mo, marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Kasama na kami. Founder, God bless you always. And I love you so much. Bye!
Happy birthday sa nag-iisang founder Marilyn ng KP Angels, and good health, founder, and always mag-iingat, more birthdays to come, syempre, and always remember, founder, na kung gaano ka-suporta ang KP Angels sa Pau and Kid, ganun din po kami ka-suporta sa inyo. Nandito lang kami palagi na Miss Pau, founder. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Hello! Para sa kaibigan nating lahat, who's always there to lend a helping hand, binabati kita na magagayang kaarawan, Miss Founder Marilyn, the one, may you have the happiest birthday today, and thank you always, and God bless you. Happiest birthday.
Happy birthday, Founder Marilyn! Wish you more birthdays to come and good health. Happy birthday, Founder! Maraming salamat sa iyo at saka salamat sa suporta sa aming lahat at saka good health palagi para sa iyo and more success. Stay beautiful and sexy. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Founder Marilyn. Yan. Happy birthday, Founder, darling. I wish you all the best and good health. Stay sweet as you are, and maraming salamat dahil you're always with us, with Miss Tao at sa aming team. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon, and ayun, we'll see you in Vegas.
Happy birthday, Founder. You are such a very sweet, loving, kind person. Stay as you are. Alam namin na marami kang natutulungan sa TikTok or behind TikTok. At sana yung mga blessings na binibigay mo ay si Lord nang bahala sa iyo. Naway marami ka pang matulungan at i-guide pa ni Lord yung buhay mo at yung puso mo na sobrang bait. Salamat palagi kasi andyan ka for us, kay CK lalo, sa akin at sa team namin. At hindi namin parang hindi namin ma-wait yung moment na makasama ka in person kasi I know na sobrang fun ka din kasama, I think. So happy birthday at sana'y marami ka pang birthday kasama ng iyong mahal sa buhay. At we love you, Founder, at lahat ng KP Warriors, Solid Warriors, KP Angels. God bless you always at sana'y gabayan ka ni Lord at iyong kalusugan. We love you, Founder.
We love you, Founder.
Happy birthday! Mwah.
Hi, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Hello, at gusto kong batiin ng isang maligayang kaarawan ng aking kaibigan na si Marlene. Marlene, happy birthday to you and hope you have a good day. Siyempre, the best of all wishes. Walang iba kundi ang good health. And I hope to see you soon and we'll celebrate your birthday. Kung kailan man yan, I don't know, but I hope soon. Stay healthy and God bless. Happy birthday again.
Hi, my friend Marilyn! Happy, 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 happy! Sana'y maging happy ka. Happy birthday, my friend! Karagdagang isang taon na naman para sa'yo. Hopefully, tumagal at humaba pa ang single mo, yung buhay mo. Sorry naman, nadadala lang ako. But gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, my friend, I'm thankful dahil isa ka sa mga taong nakilala ko at naging friends. At pasalamat ako at naging bahagi ako ng pangbubudol sa'yo. Thank you for always good to me. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan kasi ang totoo kasi pinaplastic lang kita eh. My friend, sa susunod pa utang. I love you, my friend. Walang alam bino. We love you so much and stay pretty and humble. Love, my friend. Mwah!
Bulaga! Friend! Diyos ko po, birthday mo na. Happy 28th birthday. Sana maging malakas ka pa, friend, and more birthdays to come, of course. Sana abutin mo pa yung 50 years old, 60, 70, 80, and so on, so forth. Give forever. Friend, napaka-generous mo. Maraming salamat palagi. Alam mo yan kung gaano kami ka-thankful ni baby girl mo sa lahat-lahat. Being there as a mom, as a friend, of course, and yung taong nakakaintindi sa amin kung ano mang mga flaws din meron kami. But yeah, enjoy your day, friend. And yun nga, sabi mo nga, mag-enjoy tayo sa Vegas. We'll make the most out of it and doon na natin i-celebrate lahat. Friend, again, happy birthday. Have a good one. Have a blast. Andito lang kami. Yan, natanggal yung salamin ko. Andito lang kami lagi ni baby girl mo. Alam mo yan. And we love you. Andito lang lagi si friend mo at ang yung baby girl. Basta palagi andito kami. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam mo kung gaano kami ka-grateful na nakilala ka namin. Love you! Happy birthday!
Hi, Moms! It's your day today. Happy birthday! Tuwing birthday mo talaga, medyo nagiging emotional ako, ano? I don't know what to say, but happy birthday and thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom, for everything. I am so thankful na nakilala kita dito sa larangan ng TikTok, and I am blessed to call you my mom, and I know nasa iyo na ang lahat and you deserved it. Today, it's your day, Mom, so I hope sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo because it's all worth it. Napakabuti ng puso mo, Moms. I love you, Moms. Happy birthday. Enjoy. From your baby girl. I love you.
Happy birthday